All of you must have gone through multiple episodes of sore throat in your life. Do you end up having antibiotics each time you go through a sore throat and suffer the effects of the antibiotics in terms of exhaustion, fatigue, appetite loss and stomach upset? Would you like to avoid all this? Better still, how about nipping the sore throat at its bud stage, and even better, prevent it? Today I am going to be sharing a very efficient age-old traditional home remedy with you, but with 2 extra secret ingredients which have magical and wonderful effects. Stay tuned. Namaskaram, I am Sujata, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant and your host on Munch and Mull. Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This simple age-old home remedy that I am referring to is nothing but gargling with salt water. I'm sure your parents and grandparents must have advised you umpteen number of times, but to this salt water, I am going to be adding 2 very special secret ingredients which in my experience gave me almost immediate and magical results. But before that, let us see what is a sore throat and what are its symptoms. A sore throat is typically characterized by pain, inflammation and irritation in the throat that can further lead to cold, cough, flu, aches and pains. Sore throats are generally caused by viruses, especially belonging to the flu family, chickenpox virus and of course in the recent past the coronavirus family. Sore throats can also be caused by bacteria. Sometimes even allergies to pollen, dust or various chemicals can result in a sore throat. As I was researching to find out whether there is any scientific evidence and data available for this age-old practice of saltwater gargling, I chanced upon this video of Dr. Michael Greger, who runs the website called nutritionfacts.org. I was pleasantly surprised to find that there were 2 studies done in Japan which suggest that gargling could prevent colds and fevers. One was a randomized trial carried out in winter on healthy subjects between the age of 18 to 65 years. The study examined the impact of gargling on upper respiratory tract infections. The results clearly showed a reduction in incidence of upper respiratory tract infection in those who gargled regularly. The second study was undertaken on 19,600 children, again in Japan, between the age of 2 and 6 years. This study examined the impact of gargling on oral hygiene and fever. Again, the results clearly showed that the likelihood of fevers in those children who gargled regularly was much lower than those who did not. In other words, there is definite scientific evidence that this ultra simple home remedy can even prevent respiratory illnesses. You will find the links of these research papers in the description box of the video. Now it's time for action. Do see what secret ingredients do I add to my salt water to give you immediate and magical results. Come. So here I have taken a glass of warm water. I have heated it to a lukewarm temperature. Remember that it should be warm enough but not too hot to hurt your mouth or throat. I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt here, and here are my 2 magical secret ingredients. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of cold pressed coconut oil. If the turmeric and coconut oil are organic, it is best. I don't need to re-emphasize the fact that turmeric has strong antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Apart from this, coconut oil also is known to have antimicrobial properties. You will find the research papers in the description box in the video. Although many of you must have done saltwater gargling in the past, I am going to demonstrate this in a step-by-step process for the benefit of those who have never tried gargling before. Now take this glass of gargle mix, hold the glass in your hand, open your mouth and take a deep breath. Tilt your head back, slide a generous mouthful of the gargle mix to the back of your throat, and with your mouth still open, gently breathe out through the water. Continue until the end of the breath and then spit it into the sink. Now repeat this process until the full glass of salt water is used up. Simple, isn't it? The reason for my confidence in this process of gargling is my own personal experience. Just a month ago, I went through a very bad sore throat experience which was really troubling me. It used to start as a pricking sensation and I used to go through a bout of continuous cough which left me really exhausted. My physician put me on a combination of antihistamines and antacids which did not work at all. That's when my mother suggested this mix of gargle water, and when I tried this, it gave me instant relief within 2 days. Thanks, Amma. And that was which prompted me to do this episode so that I could share this with each of you. What are the other tips that could help you to tide over the episode of sore throat in a very, very smooth manner? Let's mull over it. So, apart from gargling with salt water and coconut oil, what other steps could you take to tide over a sore throat in a smooth way? First and foremost, get plenty of rest. Drink warm, caffeine-free and alcohol-free beverages to keep your throat warm. Warm soups, warm kadhas and kashayams made using tulsi, for example, is very, very supportive. Warm lemon water and honey are very soothing for the throat. There is evidence that vitamin C rich foods can help you tide over colds. Eat soft foods like khichdi, upma, idli. Avoid oily and spicy foods. Fruit smoothies will be helpful as antioxidants are immunity boosting. Are you motivated to restart gargling? Did you find anything new and interesting in this video? What were your experiences with gargling? Do share them with me in the comment section below. And remember, prevention is better than cure. Don't forget to press the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Hey, have you subscribed to Munch and Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.